Hey, my beautiful people, welcome back to Soulsync. It's Dovey here, and today we're diving into a topic that's both intriguing and fun. How to make someone think about you. Whether it's a crush, a special someone, or even just a person you want to leave an impression on, I'm here to share some meaningful yet effortless ways to stay on their mind. And trust me, this isn't about playing games, it's about creating authentic connections that they'll remember. So, let's get started. 1. Leave a lasting first impression. Let's start with the basics. The first impression you make sets the tone for how someone thinks about you. When you meet someone, focus on being warm and genuine. A kind smile, direct eye contact, or even a small but meaningful compliment can make all the difference. These little things show that you're confident and approachable. People naturally remember how you made them feel, so leave them with something positive to think about. 2. Keep a bit of mystery. Right, here's where things get interesting. Don't give everything away all at once. Leave a little mystery about yourself. Maybe share a unique story, but keep some details to yourself. Or hint at something fun you're into without diving into all the specifics. For example, I have a really crazy story about that. Remind me to tell you later. This keeps them intrigued and makes them think about you long after the conversation ends. 3. Build connections through shared interests. One of the best ways to make someone think about you is by bonding over shared interests, whether it's a favorite movie, a quirky hobby, or even a mutual love for coffee. Find common ground and talk about it. Shared experiences create a natural connection, and the next time they encounter that interest, you'll pop into their mind without even trying. 4. Stand out with your signature style. Here's a fun one. Make something about you stand out. It could be your favorite scent, a unique accessory you always wear, or even a phrase you use often. When they associate something specific with you, like a particular perfume or your unique sense of humor, they're more likely to think of you when they come across it. It's like leaving little pieces of you in their world. You're an incredible listener. You know what's surprisingly attractive? Being a great listener. When you give someone your full attention and remember the little things they say, it makes them feel valued. For example, if they mention a big meeting or a favorite book, follow up later with, "How did your meeting go?" Or, "I checked out that book you mentioned." It's thoughtful and shows you care, which is unforgettable. Create moments of fun and laughter. People are drawn to those who make them laugh and feel good. So inject a bit of lightheartedness and spontaneity into your interactions. Share a funny story, crack a clever joke, or suggest doing something a little out of the ordinary. Fun moments stay with people and make them associate you with positive vibes they'll want to relive. Use subtle mental triggers. Effective tip, plant small reminders of yourself in their mind. For instance, you could say, "This song totally reminds me of you," or "That place we talked about is on my bucket list now." These little connections make them think about you whenever they hear that song or see something similar. It's like leaving breadcrumbs that lead back to you. 8. Focus on your confidence. Let's talk confidence. It's magnetic. Confidence isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about owning who you are and showing up authentically. When you're comfortable in your own skin, it's hard not to notice you. People are drawn to that energy and they'll naturally think of you because you exude self-assurance that's both rare and inspiring. 9. Show your authenticity. Finally, the most important one, be yourself. Pretending to be someone you're not might catch their attention for a moment, but it's authenticity that keeps someone thinking about you long term. Share your real interests, quirks, and even your flaws. Being genuine is a superpower, and it's what creates the deepest and most lasting impressions. So there you have it, 9 simple yet powerful ways to make someone think about you. It's not about manipulation, it's about being intentional and authentic in the way you connect. If this video spoke to you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Soulsync. And of course, drop your thoughts or your own tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Until next time, keep shining and creating those unforgettable connections. You've got this.